See, if you've got a second, I'd like you to take a minute and go over to the show notes. Like I said, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Within that, I've got a link to Podchaser, and write us up a review, won't you please? I sure would appreciate it. Hi, and if you're old enough, this episode's going to work out really good. It's writing things down so you don't forget what you're going to do. The checklist that you can create for free in Google Docs, I've got the link in the show notes. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got the link in there so you can make your own free checklist in Google Docs. You can even share that link to the checklist with other people, either across town or across the country, around the world. As long as they speak English, I guess it'll work. And make this checklist, and that's going to be a feather in your hat, I think. I want you to take the time out of your day to explore that for a quick minute and start using checklists as a very handy way to keep track of stuff that you're doing, keep track of items, how many steps you got to go to complete the task at hand, whatever. So thank you for taking time out of your day. It's a wrap.